Dear friends, in class 9 we have 6th chapter lines and angles and we are solving exercise 6.1. In 6.1 we are solving 5th question. In figure POQ is a line. This POQ is a straight line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ at O. This is given. Then OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Between OP and OR, we have another ray OS. Prove that angle ROS. We have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Now, if you look at the question and if you try to solve the question from these given things and from asked, you won't get a direct the way to reach the answer. So you have to observe the question in a different way. First, write the given things. We are given that in the figure PQ is a line. PQ is a line. Then OR is perpendicular to PQ at O. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ at O. This is given to us. Then we are given OS is another ray between OP and OR. So this we can write as it is. Ray OS is between ray OP and ray OR. Now we are asked to find or to prove angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Now see, if you look at the question, you won't get this. ROS is equal to QOS minus POS and half of it. So what we have to do is, we will change this asked in a little different way. If you cross this, it will become twice ROS. So twice ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. So if you think in that way, then we will get a direction to reach the answer. So please note, here LHS is ROS. Here you will notice that nothing can be solved, and if we are not able to solve anything to reach the answer, then what we do, we observe the RHS. In RHS also they are modified in a different way. So I am going to do the subtraction of angle QOS minus angle POS, and I am going to check whether it is equal to twice ROS or not. So for this, first is angle QOS. Now look at the figure. Solution, or you can say proof. From figure we can observe that angle QOS is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. Observe this. QOR plus ROS is equal to QOS because they are adjacent angles, so they can be added and subtracted. Adjacent angles, they have one common ray. One ray is common and opposite rays are the either side. Other rays are non-common arms are to the either side of the common ray. So these angles are adjacent angles, so they can be added and we will get angle QOS. Now we have found angle QOS. Now let us find angle POS. Angle POS is this. So angle POS is equal to, look at the figure. Angle POS is equal to again angle POR minus angle ROS. So I will get ROP angle ROP minus, please note, ROP minus POS minus angle POS. Observe this. sorry, POS minus ROS. I wanted to find angle POS. So POS is nothing but angle ROP, this total angle, minus ROS. If you subtract this angle from the total angle, we will get POS. Now observe, we are asked to find QoS minus POS. We have got angle QoS, we have got angle POS. Let us name them equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now, if you subtract QoS minus POS, let us see what we get. So, for this, in order to get QoS minus POS, subtract equation 2 from first. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So, you will get angle QoS minus angle POS. Please note why I have done this. Because I wanted QoS minus POS. And here subtract equation 2. This must be subtracted from the first. So subtract equation second from first. We will get angle QoS minus angle POS. So we are reaching the answer. Please note. RHS will be is equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS minus. We are subtracting second equation. So I will get angle ROP minus angle ROS. This total must be subtracted. Now see, we are given that OR is perpendicular to PQ. It means angle ROQ is equal to angle ROP, or you can say angle QOR, this angle, and angle ROP, QOR and ROP, they are one and the same. This both are perpendicular, so both angles are equal angles. So I will get here, let us see, angle QOR plus angle ROS. Please note this is subtraction. I am changing the signs of all the terms inside the bracket. So this will be minus angle ROP, minus will become plus angle ROS. When we are doing subtraction, we change the signs of all the terms inside the bracket. Now see, this angle QOR and ROP, angle QOR and ROP, both are 90 degree because this is perpendicular. So these two angles are equal. So if equal is subtracted from equal, we get 0. Here I am going to write this angle, but angle QOR is equal to angle ROP. Reason is, we are given that OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, so both are right angles, so they are equal. If both are equal, then they can be subtracted from each other. So I will get this minus this is 0. I will get angle ROS plus angle ROS. So I will get angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROS is twice angle ROS. Now if 2 is multiplied that side, if it is transposed to the other side, it will divide. So I will get 1/2 angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to 2 is already carried, so I will get angle ROS. Now see, I have got half into angle QOS minus angle POS, that is this. Half into angle QoS minus angle POS is equal to angle ROS. Now I have got this to the left hand side, this to the right hand side. If this is equal to this, it means the other side must also be equal to the, if LHS is equal to RHS, it means RHS must also be equal to LHS. Therefore, I will get angle ROS is equal to half in bracket angle QoS minus angle POS. Hence, true.